Do you despair at the thought of having to use public transport? Does the idea of taking a bus make you feel physically sick? The mental image of being sardine canned into the tube, having to share your sweat, breath and body odour with your fellow passengers make your skin crawl. But the prospect of sitting in endless lines of traffic with inconsiderate drivers make you long for the void. I can relate. If you, like me, have an unwavering disdain for sharing your personal space with an absolute stranger and would rather face a cracked out polar bear than do any of the above, I might just have a few products for you. Links are in the description for the products for your convenience. First up, we have the Taur II electric scooter. This speedy little number boasts an effective range of 40 miles, a top speed of 24 miles per hour or around 39 kilometers an hour. Not surprising considering it houses a 500 watt motor. To go from dead to a full charge is 4 hours, so this is a perfect little number for those inner city commuters. Decent speed and range aside, with the current cost of energy, this thing gives you a mile for around 30 cents, or 23p. With the digital access controls, you can lock and unlock your Taur remotely, and the inbuilt GPS allows you to track your scooter no matter where it is. With a total weight of around 20 kilograms or 44 pounds, it's no featherweight, but it is manageable. Folding and being able to stand upright means it can be stored virtually anywhere. The Kickstarter is still live at the time of writing, and you can get one of these for the cool price of $1,195 or around £918, so less than the cost of a second-hand moped, with much less hassle. If your commute is a little longer, or you live in the UK where electric scooters are illegal, unless you rent one, then this next bike may be for you. Let me introduce the Siggi by Co&Co. The folding commuter bike that's not only environmentally friendly in its use, but in its construction too, with the whole frame being made from a recycled material and the company offering to buy back any bike that's no longer working to be repaired and refurbished and resold to keep them serving their purpose. In its electric variant, the Siggi comes with a 250 watt motor, giving it a max speed of 25 kilometers an hour, which is around 15.5 miles an hour, so it's almost half as fast as our scooter. The average range is between 30 and 50 kilometers or a max of 31 miles. Again, this falls short of the scooter, but the idea is this is a bike. Use the motor when you need it, and the pedals when you can manage yourself. You can lock the bike and adjust the settings of the motor to fit your own riding style from the app. The seat and handlebars are fully adjustable to suit your needs. When folded, the bike measures 70 centimeters tall and 80 centimeters long, and just 30 centimeters wide thanks to its folding design. At a max weight of 13 kilograms, it's going to be easy to carry around, but you don't really need to carry it, because the baggage rack on the back actually has wheels built into it and doubles up as a trolley when the bike is folded. Now this all can be yours for the price of £2,277, €3,222 or $2,945. Now if that feels a bit too pricey for you and you don't feel like you're getting enough bang for your buck, I do have a third option. This bike looks like it was pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bike is still in its prototype stage, as some things may change on final release, but as it looks right now, it's an absolutely gorgeous piece of kit. The Nireeka Mega is a beast of an electric bike. With a 1,500 watt motor, 38 mile an hour max speed and 52 mile range, this thing will get you wherever you need to be, quickly. Not only quickly, but they've got your safety covered too. With a built-in brake-sensitive rear light and ABS, that's right, ABS, on a push bike, your safety concerns are well in hand. The battery is removable, so you can bring it inside with you to charge, so you don't have to concern yourself with an outdoor charging point, and being able to pick up a second battery for just over £300 means you can double the range and take a spare with you. The standard display screen will give you a 4-bar charge gauge and some basic functionality, but the upgraded version gives you a full works display that's backlit and contains a host of other features. With 140mm suspension travel and nice thick 26x4 tyres, it should be a very comfortable ride. The bike itself has a carbon fibre frame weighing in at just 2 kilograms. Fully loaded, the bike is 31 kg or £70, so take that into consideration when purchasing. This does, however, put this bike as one of the lightest in its category. Now this absolute beast is available for the cool price of £2,633 for the top end model, and let's be honest, that's the one that you want. And the good news is they're estimated to start shipping in August 2023. I doubt that it will be that soon because it's still marked on the Kickstarter as in prototype stage, but you should get it this year at least. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you want to see more tech. Let me know which one you would pick. Personally, if I had the space and a spare £2,000, I'd be picking up a Nireeka. Anyway, I'm off to find some more interesting tech to share with you, so until next time, bye bye.